Hey, what's up? Ayan, nagbabalik na naman pa tayo sa libreng gabay. Ayan, June 16 to 22. Ito ay para sa zodiac sign na Taurus. Ayan, Taurus, if it's not resonate with you, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, hit mo like, share, and follow, and leave a comment sa ating comment section. Ayan, nag-ingat po tayo sa mga scam. Uy, new love life, potential love life. Okay, it's you are dealing parang, ano na, hindi ko lang alam kung ikaw ba mismo ang ayaw or hinihintay mo pa rin ba ang the one mo? Parang ganun. You are waiting for your the one na mag-reach out sa'yo. Kung gusto mo talaga to, dapat ikaw, kahit pa paano, ikaw yung nagre-reach out. No? Or, I see here na parang balance balance sa career, balance sa love life. Siguro kailangan mo lang din lumabas. Wag mong ikulong ang sarili mo, no? So, nagre-request ka ng love life, pero ikaw mismo sa sarili mo ay hindi siya priority, no? So, ano bang priority mo talaga sa buhay, no? Parang gusto mo bang bumalik uli? Ang ganda na ng status mo, ang ganda na ng year mo, pero bakit gusto mo pa rin bumalik or hindi hanapin ang sarili mo? You are in a right track. You are baby born this way. Pero wag ka nang bumalik. Parang ginugulo mo pa yung sarili mo. No? Kasi you are moving forward, you are moving there, you are there. Akala mo lang walang nangyayari, pero you are investing your future right now. You're investing your future, you're building success, you're building family, you're building abundance, pero wag ka nang babalik. Kala mo walang nangyayari, pero meron at meron. Oo, tama yung ginagawa mo. Akala mo lang wala, pero meron at meron, no? Okay. So, 9 purging laws. Anyway, your fear is parang feeling mo yung investment mo or yung kaperahan mo or something, yung something na meron sa'yo is nalulustay siya. Akala mo lang nalulustay siya, pero you're investing in good path. Parang ganon. Kasi parang gastos now, tas walang return eh. So, if you are dealing with for a long-term success, hindi naman instant ang pagiging successful, no? Hindi siya instant, hindi siya ngayon ka nag-isip ng negosyo, bukas successful ka na. Walang gano'n. Walang gano'n. So, you need to wait for long, but you are planting your seed right now. Para in the near future, you're harvesting it and no one can beat a Taurus because this is your sign again, this is your year. So, abusuhin mo yung pagkakataon kasi mauulit to after 10 years again. So, that's on your general reading. If it's resonate with you, claim to the comment section, type yes.